Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Now that we are getting close to winter, I am going to share a very ancient remedy for the cold and flu. It's the most powerful antibiotic naturally available that you can make, and this is 100% guarantee that it will reduce and suppress your cold and flu, no matter how difficult it is, no matter how severe it is. And it's very easy remedy and yet very powerful. It makes your cough disappear so fast, and even as soon as one day you can see the results. So I am going to share with you what we need. Is that we need the turnip, just a normal turnip, and then we need a natural honey. I'm using the organic honey. You can use the best available honey that you have. We are going to open this turnip, empty inside, and then fill it with honey and leave it for 24 hours. And after that, the honey, it changes to a very powerful antibiotic, mixing with the substances inside the turnip, and then you can just drink it and then you can benefit from it. I already made one, so I want to just show you. You know that the honey is very sticky and it's just not like watery liquid. It's very thick. But once you keep it for 24 hours inside the turnip, it just changes to a liquidy, watery substance, as you see. And this is full of goodness for your cold and flu. You can just drink this one and you can just benefit from it. So let's go ahead and do this one. Try to choose the turnips that they can stand straight like that. In case if you could not find it, you can just trim a little bit here, the bottom of the turnip, not too much. That's it, so that it can stand still. And we are going to open like a cap from the turnip, and we are going to set this aside. And then using something like that, it's just like a, I don't know what you call it, you just try to empty the pieces from inside. Just be very careful not to damage the walls of the turnip, or don't make it any hole. I mean, don't dig too deep that it'll make a hole. Just keep doing it until you make a good space inside the turnip. So you see, it's enough space I already created. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna pour the honey, only half, not full. Just put the honey inside so that it will fill the half of the space in the turnip. And what you're gonna do is that you just closing the cap. That's it. So you transfer this one to your fridge for 24 hours. And then after that, it'll turn like that, and then you can just drink it. So I am going to come back tomorrow to show you how this one changed into this one. As you see, this is not moving at all. It's very sticky like honey, but after 24 hours it's going to change to this one. And also don't forget to not to throw this one, because this is full of goodness. You can just have it raw with a little bit of salt. Sorry, this is my parrot. You can have it raw with a little bit of salt with your food like a side, or you can just use it inside any kind of soup and it will be amazing. So don't throw this one. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow and show you how this became like liquidy. Okay guys, it's just 24 hours from the time that we put this turnip inside the fridge. So this one was the one that we made it, and this one was the one that I showed you before. So I just want to show you, look how the honey, it's turned to liquidy, just like water. It means it's ready. This is a very, very ancient remedy, and this is full of goodness and natural antibiotic for you to just drink it like that, and you get rid of all the cold and flu. One thing that I want to tell you is that when you finish this, you can just fill it up one more time with the honey and put it back in the fridge for the next 24 hours and drink it. Just use this method twice for one turnip, and then that's it. And then you need need to just throw the turnip away and use a new one if you need it. So if your cold and flu didn't go away completely but just improved, you can just do this twice with one turnip and then repeat it if you need. So that's it. That's our remedy. I hope you enjoy it and you do it and enjoy the benefits. Until the next ancient remedies, see you.